Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to show you a really cool demo of a developer experience. So in this demo, I will show you how as a developer, I accidentally write vulnerability. I'm trying to commit it to GitHub, and then without installing any ID extension for a scanner or for fixing, just configuring something on GitHub, the vulnerability will be blocked and automatically will be fixed, and the developer will see that fix, approve it, and finish all that cycle within 2-3 minutes. Excited to see that? Let's go in. I'm in my IDE. I just made some changes. I accidentally introduced a SQL injection here, so I want to commit that code to GitHub. So I'll go and check my a new branch, create a new branch for myself, and I'm going to make a change here. Make a change here, and we'll add that change, and we'll also commit it. And let's give it a message. Eitan is making an error. Okay, so now we're ready. We are going to push this code origin to the patch to the branch that I created. And as you see, I don't have any extension here to do anything on the security side. I only have my code as a developer, wrote my code, committed to GitHub, and now I pushed it. I'll go to see how it looks on GitHub. So if you remember, Tomer recorded a video on how we configured a workflow in GitHub that will first run a static analysis scan. We can do it with Snyk, we can do it with checkmarks, we can do it with 45, we can do it with GitHub Code QL, and we'll be able to add more over time. And if that scanner finds a vulnerability, and we can set it to block the pull request and automatically start a mob analysis. So we see the checks are running now. If I go in, and naturally as a developer I won't go in, but just to show you what's going on behind the scenes, I'm going in, I see the SAST scan that is running, and if SAST will find anything, mob action will start. So the SAST actually did find something. I moved quickly. The SAST actually did find something here. So it's error and mob action starts. I'm going back as a developer. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with the situation, the developer will not necessarily sit here and wait for all the checks to finish. And it's not just security checks, it's all quality checks and regression testing. But when they come back, they will come back to this screen, and this is what will wait for them. The checks failed the pull request, and we already have the fix ready for them, mob fix report link. So I'm going here to see the details, getting into this page. Now this is live, so maybe the fix will take another few seconds until it's available for the developers. I will refresh it. I don't want to wait too long because of this demo, and the fix is ready. I'm going in. I can see the fix. I'm not going to go into the details of the fix, but as you can see, this is the code that was introduced as a problematic one. Here is the fix, and I will commit the change. I can commit it to main. I can commit it to the same branch that I created that I created earlier. Sorry for that. Because I configured the workflow in GitHub, from this point, I don't need to do anything. A pull request will be created, a pull request will be committed, and the workflow starts again. So running the same SAST scanner that I ran earlier, it will check the code. Naturally, it will not find the vulnerabilities because we automatically fix it and the developer approved and committed the code. And all this took, what, 2, 3, maybe 5 minutes to complete from the moment that I committed the code to GitHub until I made that code secured as a developer. So thank you for watching. You should try it yourself. You can see details below in the description. Let's see that this succeeded just before we finish. Yes, all checks have passed. Thank you for watching.